Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to code in your sunroof to automatically close when it's raining, or after 6 hours it will also close. Here's a live demonstration. Works very quickly, and that's only a little bit of water in a spray bottle. All right, let's show you guys how to do it. It's pretty simple. All right everyone, we're connected here in ESYS. This is the program you're going to need if you're going to want to code it. You technically can use Beamer code because it's just FDL coding. So yeah, here's how you do it. First, connect to the car, come over here, click Read ECU, find your roof module, which is right here. There are two CAFD files. Click on the lower one, SHD, click on Edit, and then you're going to come here and you're going to search REGEN. A few things are going to pop up. This first one, we're going to set it to active. The second one, we're going to set it to Geschlossen. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's what you're going to set it to. This one, robust, you're also going to set it to active, and then you're going to come down here to status RC time and set this to default value. I believe this one isn't default value before. Yeah, it's not active. We're going to set that to default value. You're going to come up here. You're going to click the save button right here that's grayed out because I already saved it. You're going to click back. This message isn't going to pop up for you. And then you're going to click code and CD, and that will do the coding features for the roof module. However, there's also one setting inside of your head unit that you're going to need to change, and this is to actually enable this feature. You can enable or disable it from the iDrive, which will show after. You're going to look for Regen, and this is it right here. It's the only one in the file. We're going to set that to active, and same thing, you're going to click Save, Back, Code NCD, and that is the coding function for the sunroof to automatically close with any sort of water or rain. And then we're going to click Read, clear all the codes, and now let me show you the iDrive setting to enable this, and then you can test it out for yourself. It's a super cool feature. All right, so once it's coded, you have to actually enable it in the iDrive, and to do so, click on Car, click on Settings, come over to Doors/Vehicle Access, scroll all the way down, so you'll be at the top, all the way down, and you'll see Close Roof Automatically. When the vehicle's parked, the retractable top will be closed to the tilt position in rain or at the latest after 6 hours. In this case, we coded it to fully close. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. This is a super cool coding option that I really wanted this since I had my E46. I remember reading back in the day that the E46 was capable of doing it. I forget actually if I ever got it to work, but when I found out that the G series could do it, I was like, oh my God, I need to do this. I think it's such a cool little Easter egg coding thing that should be turned on from default, but now you guys know how to do it. If you guys have any questions about how to do it, drop them in the comments down below. If you need us to do it remotely, hit us up at EM Performance down below. If you guys have any other coding ideas that you want to see coded onto your BMW and need a tutorial, let us know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much, and we'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.